I can't let you do this.
And I can't let you die.
Everything I ever did, I did for her. Now she's gone. Sometimes, I wonder if she can see me through your eyes. What would she think of me now?
Well, I think you're pretty great.
Hanging in the air. I'm counting every step as you climb the stairs.
My new dream.
It's buried in your bones. I see it in your closed eyes, turning in. This is harder than we know. Hold it in the moment when we're within. Coming like a hurricane.
But are you afraid to die, Connor?
I take it in real slow. The world's spinning like a wave, fragile and composed. Though I am breaking down
Why would I be afraid?
again.
You know, I thought I'd be the last person you'd ever let him hurt.
Aching
Close your heart to it.
to let you in. 7 times it came when you were not aware.
I've got you. I've got you. Don't move. Don't be scared, okay?
7 times the flame, too much to take.
I'll always be with you, Lance. And I'll always love you.
The sky burns
know.
red against your skin. The world we know turns in the wind. Coming like a hurricane. I take it in real slow.
Still? She's not coming back, dude. She's gone.
Look, I know, alright? I know. It's just, I mean, I don't still have feelings for her, but I do in a way. It's like this thing that's inside of me. It's always just sort of sitting there, waiting around. And sometimes I'll see something, or I'll smell something, and it makes me think of her, even though I don't want to.
I am aching now to let you in.
Where's Wally?
Yeah, that's right, Mom. Yeah, I'm your son, Elliot.